Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to help you to know how to make a henna sealent spray, which is also called lemon sugar syrup. So subscribe to my channel and also follow me on my Instagram page mehandi love and keep watching. So let me show you the ingredients needed for making our henna sealant spray or lemon sugar syrup. And the first one is lemon. And if you are having a sensitive skin and don't want to make lemon based henna sealant sprays, then don't worry, you can use rosewater sealant sprays. And the next one needed for our lemon based henna sealant spray is just water, and I took this water from my well. You have to make sure that your water is free from all the impurities or it is a kind of drinking water type. And the next one is lemongrass oil, and this is for just fragrance of our lemon. And if you are not using lemon based henna sealant spray, then there is no need for this ingredient. And the most important one for our henna sealant spray is sugar. If you are making this spray or lemon kind of spray or rosewater spray, the best ingredient needed is sugar. And the next one is spray bottle. You can either use the bigger kind I'm using for my home purpose, or if you're going to sell this, then you can use the bottles shown in this figure. And if you want these bottles, you can contact me and I will help you get this from the sellers. First step of henna designing, I'm going to cut our lemons into two pieces and squeeze that lemon juice into our vessel. And you may be wondering, what is this henna sealant and why we have to use this for our henna designing? And henna sealant spray is just a sticky liquid, and before knowing for what we use that, we have to know from where this henna paste comes from. Henna comes from a plant called Lawsonia inermis, and it's commonly called henna plant, and its leaf contain a chemical called lawson molecules, which goes into the top layer of a skin and stains there, and that's how we get the stains or color in our skin. And if our paste is too dry, there is no chance for this chemical to go into our skin, and so we have to make sure that our paste is moisturized or wet. And for that, we apply this liquid so that the henna paste adheres to our skin and doesn't flake off easily. So I have squeezed the lemons, and the next thing which bothers us is that low pH of undiluted lemon juice can bother the skin, especially for those with sensitive skin. And the henna paste left on for several hours can result in dry, irritated skin and give a rough feeling. So never ever try to use undiluted lemon juice on your skin. And here I'm going to use sugar, which is easily available in our home, that is refined sugar. But for more better taste, you can use organic cane sugar if it is available in your place. And so I am squeezing my lemon, and we have to take the ingredients in 2:1 ratio. That is, for 2 lemon taken, we have to add 1 tablespoon of sugar into it. So now I am adding my sugar into our vessel, and the next step is add half a bowl of water into our vessel. So I have placed the whole component, that is our liquid and the vessel, into my high flame mode gas stove, and the whole thing is boiling nicely, and you have to keep this like this till the bubbles arise. See, you can see now that the bubbles are rising very nicely, and you have to constantly stir the liquid so that all the sugar added dissolves into our liquid. And the next thing you have to take care is you have to know the expiry date of the liquid we have making. And you can store this liquid for 3 to 4 months inside the freezer, and nothing happens to this liquid, but make sure that you are storing inside the freezer and nowhere outside the fridge. And so I am constantly stirring the liquid, and it's also boiling nicely. When after the liquid have boiled and the bubbles have risen and all, we have to switch off the flame. So you can see I have switched off the flame and I have kept this thing aside for cooling, because after cooling only we can transfer our liquid into our bottles, and there is no need for you to transfer the whole thing fully into the bottles. You can store a part in the fridge, that is freezer, and only use a part of it. And now I'm adding that lemongrass oil. Just a few drops is enough. If you're going to add lot much of this oil, then you are going to get a stinky smell which no one likes. So just add a 1 or 2 drops of this thing into our liquid, because we need only a small smell of the lemon. Already there is smell of our original fresh lemon. Just a small fragrance is enough. So now let's filter our solution. So I'm going to take a filter and now I'm filtering the whole thing. If you have a funnel, it's better, then you can transfer a liquid easily into our bottle. So I have transferred it, and you can either use the smaller one or the bigger bottles as you like. Our sealant spray is ready for use. Try this out and please share the comments, and also if you want me to make any other videos, please mention in the comments, and also subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell button below and follow me in my Instagram page and share your ideas there also. Stay connected dears and be in touch. See you in my next videos. Bye till we meet again. Thanks for watching.